Hey friends, if you wish to disable this option where you have to log in after you have put your computer to sleep, then please watch this video. Earlier we didn't have a switch for that, but now we do. So whenever your computer is to sleep, okay, and you try to log in, at times you're able to log in directly, but at times it asks for the login ID and password. Now I'll tell you why. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the accounts tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down, click on sign in options. Now you'll find an option which says if you have been away, when should the computer require you to sign in again? Now if this time is, let's say 15 minutes, and the time for sleeping is 3 or 5 minutes, then there will be a period where you can log in back to your computer without signing in. Just hit enter. But if you wish to do away with the login screen forever, click on never and then enter your PIN. Okay, you will be able to log in directly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.